Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning English Language with Syeda. Stir fry. Ingredients are fried in a small amount of very hot oil while being stirred or tossed in a wok. Boiling. Bringing a liquid to the temperature at which it bubbles and turns to vapor. Fry. Cook food in a hot fat or oil, typically in a shallow pan. Bake. To cook in an oven using heat and without extra fat, oil or liquid. Saute. Cooked or browned in a pan containing a small quantity of butter, oil or other fat. Basically, pan fried. Grill or say broil. To cook food on a rack under or over direct heat as on a barbecue or in a broiler. Roasting or roast. To cook meat slowly over a fire or in the oven. Simmering. Simmering is similar to boiling but at a lower heat. When you simmer a liquid, the heat is turned down from a boil so that the liquid cooks at a medium temperature, forming very tiny bubbles on the surface of the water. Stir. To stir something is to move it around and mix all the ingredients together using a spoon. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and keep supporting such amazing and useful content.